In this video, I'll show you how to save chart layouts in TradingView step by step. This is useful if you want to keep your indicators, chart settings, colors, and drawing tools organized across different charts. A chart layout is basically your saved chart setup for all of your charts. This can include indicators, trend lines, colors, watch lists, chart settings, and overall workspace customization. First thing we do is create the chart setup you want to save. For example, we can add some indicators. I already have an exponential moving average here and a volume indicator. I will add another, let's say, relative strength index indicator. I can adjust it like this. And this is my chart setup. Then when I go to this other chart view, let's zoom out a bit. Actually, I can draw some trend lines like this. Then we had a nice breakout here. I could add it like this as well. Next, I could change the colors of my candles. So I right click, go to settings, click on the symbol, and let's change the bullish candles from green to blue. Let's change everything. Okay, and let's see how this would look if it's orange. Actually, no, I prefer red. Okay, now we have a nice blue and red color chart. So this is our chart setup. Basically what I have done is I've prepared the chart exactly how I want it to appear later when I open TradingView. Now we go to the top right of the screen and click on Save. This is my default chart layout. If this is the first layout that you are creating on TradingView, you may be asked to name it. So you can name it something like Forex strategy, RSI strategy, trendline layout. Choose any name you want. Now, let's say you open a completely different chart layout and you want to load your previously saved setup. So you go back to the chart menu, like so, and you select the layout. I have two layouts here, so let's click on the unnamed. This is my separate layout. Now I want to revert it back to the layout that we created earlier. Click on this button and select default layout. Alternatively, you can click on this button, click on open layout, and you will have all of the layouts that you created visible here. And this is a very useful feature because TradingView will instantly load all your indicators, chart settings, colors, drawings, and this saves a huge amount of time. A quick beginner tip: you can create multiple layouts for different trading strategies. For example, one layout for trend trading, one for scalping, one for support and resistance, or one clean layout with no indicators. This helps keep your analysis organized and less overwhelming. And that's how you save chart layouts in TradingView. If this video helped you, feel free to subscribe for more beginner TradingView tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.